Acts chapter 17. After dem pass Amphipolis and Apollonia, dem come reach Thessalonica where one Jew synagogue dey. Paul go meet the Jew people for the synagogue as they do before, and for 3 Sabbath days, he come dey teach them God word. Dey show them how God word say Christ must suffer and he go raise from grave. He tell them,
"This Jesus Christ wey I dey tell una about so, na him be the Christ."
Some of them wey believe come join Paul and Silas, and many Greek people wey dey fear God and some big women join them too. But the Jew people come dey jealous. Na dem gather area boys wey dey waka about for market, take form gang to scatter the town. Dem attack Jason house because dem think say Paul and Silas dey there, so that dem go bring them out come take them go the town hall. When dem no see them, they come drag Jason and some of him brothers go meet the town oga. Dey shout,
"All these people wey don start wahala for the world don reach here too, and Jason put them for your house like visitor. Dem dey do wetin dey against Caesar law. They talk say another king dey wey him name be Jesus Christ."
Dem cause confusion among the people wey gather, and the town oga dem wey hear all these things. After the oga dem don collect money from Jason and the brothers, they come allow them go. At once, the brothers send Paul and Silas go Berea for night. When dem don reach there, dem come go the Jew synagogue. These Jew people get better mind pass the ones wey dey for Thessalonica, because dem open mind take believe the message, and dem dey read God word every day to check whether all the things wey dem hear na true. Na so many of them take believe, even with some big men and women wey be Greek. But when the Jew people wey dey for Thessalonica hear say Paul don reach Berea dey preach God word, dem come go there go cause wahala and spoil the people mind. Na im the brothers send Paul go the water side, but Silas and Timothy still stay for Berea. The people wey follow Paul escort am go reach Athens, and after he order them say make Silas and Timothy come meet am quick for there, so dem come go back. As Paul dey Athens dey wait for them, he come dey vex for him spirit because he see say na so juju full the town. So he talk to the Jew and Gentile people wey dey fear God wey dey inside the synagogue, and he still talk to everybody wey dey the market. Na so some wise men wey dey follow Epicurean and the ones wey be Stoic dey follow am talk, and some dey ask each other,
wetin dis mumu and toku think say e know wey e wan tell us?
Some still say,
e be like say e dey preach about some gods from another tribe.
dem talk so because e dey preach the good news about Jesus Christ and him resurrection. So dem take Paul go Areopagus come tell am,
We beg, make you tell us about this new thing wey you dey teach so.
Because the things wey you dey talk, we never hear am before, and we like to know wetin dem mean.
Athens people and others wey dey there no get any other work pass make dem sit down dey talk story about any new thing wey dey happen. So Paul stand for Areopagus front come say,
"My people wey dey for Athens, I see say una like God matter well. Because as I waka around dey look all the things wey una dey worship, I even see one shrine wey dem write put say, to the God wey people no know. So wetin una dey worship wey una no know, na him I come tell una about today. God wey make the world and everything wey dey inside, wey be the oga for heaven and earth, no dey stay inside house wey human being build. And he no wan make human being give am something like say he need anything, because na him dey give life and air wey we dey breathe. Na through one man he make all the tribes wey dey for the world, and he talk the time and boundary where dem go stay reach, so that dem go look for God come see am, even though e no dey far from all of us. Because na inside am we dey live, waka, get life, and some of una wey dey write poem talk say we too na God pikin. So as e be say we be God pikin, make we no think say God be like image wey human being use gold, silver or stone take make. God don forgive us for the time when we no know wetin we dey do. But now, e dey command people for everywhere say make dem turn from sin come meet am, because e don choose one day wey e go take judge the world with righteousness through the man wey e choose, and show everybody when he raise am from death.
When the people hear say people go raise from death, some come dey laugh, but others come say,
We go hear this matter from you another day.
so Paul come comot from Areopagus. But some people wey believe Christ come join am. Inside these people wey believe so, na Dionysius wey be member for Areopagus and one woman wey dem dey call Damaris, with other people wey join dem.